Good morning, my dear students. This is probability distributions. Our topic is normal distribution. Lecture 9. Problems continuation. Problem 6. Very important problems. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% are over 64. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. Mean and standard deviation or whatever it may be, variance. Standard deviation is sigma, variance is sigma square. No problem. So what is given here? So let T1, T2 are the values of T. Let T1, T2 are the values of T. T1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma, that is 45 minus mu by sigma. 45 is given. T2 is equal to x2 minus mu by sigma, 64 minus mu by sigma. We have to find mu and sigma. Given 31% of the items are under 45. So Px less than 45 is equal to integral minus infinity to 45 f of x dx is equal to 31%, 31 by 100, 0.31. In this is a in terms of x, in terms of t, we get a t1 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by dt is equal to 0.31. f of t1 minus f of minus infinity, upper limit minus lower limit, 0.31. We have to find so minus of minus f of infinity is equal to 0.31. f of t1 is plus 0.5 is equal to 0.31. So f of t1 is equal to 0.31 minus 0.5 is nothing but minus 0.19. T1 from tables, T1 is equal to minus 0.5 from normal tables or tables, whatever it may be. We get corresponding T1 value minus sign is there, so minus 0.5. Now given 8% items are above 64. So P x greater than 64 is equal to 64 to infinity f of x dx is equal to 8%, 8 by 100, 0.08. So integral t to infinity 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt is equal to 0.08. f of infinity minus f of t2. So f of infinity 0.5. So minus f of t2 is equal to 0.08. From this f of t2 0.42. From tables we get t2 value 1.4. Substituting T1, T2 values in above. So T1 value minus 0.5 is equal to 45 minus mu by sigma. From this 45 minus mu is equal to minus 0.5 sigma. Next 1.4 is equal to 64 minus mu by sigma. from the 64 minus mu is equal to 1.4 sigma. 64 minus mu minus 45 minus mu, subtracting. So 64 minus mu minus 45 plus mu is equal to 1.4 minus and minus 0.5 sigma. Mu cancel. 19 is equal to 1.9 sigma. Sigma is equal to 19 by 1.9 is equal to 10. Substituting sigma value in above, 45 minus mu is equal to minus 0.5 into sigma 10. So minus 5. 45 plus 5 is equal to mu. So mu is equal to 50. Mu is equal to 50. So mu is equal to mean is equal to 50. Standard deviation sigma is equal to 10. Variance sigma square is equal to 10 square 100. So very important problem. Problem 7, very important. In a normal distribution, 7% of the items are under 35 and 89% are under 63. Under. Find the mean and standard deviation of the distribution. Solution. Let T1, T2 are the values of, let T1, T2 are the values of T. So T1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma is equal to 35 minus mu by sigma. T2 is equal to x2 minus mu by sigma is equal to 63 minus mu by sigma. Okay. Given 7% of the items are under 35. So p x less than 35 is equal to integral minus infinity to 35 f of x dx is equal to 7%. 7 by 100. So integral minus infinity to 35 అంటే t1 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt is equal to 7 by 100 0.07. f of t1 minus f of minus infinity 0.07. f of t1 plus f of infinity 0.07. f of t1 plus 0.5 equal to 0.07. f of t1 is equal to 0.07 minus 0.5. 0.07 minus 0.5. So how much? So f of t1 equal to f of minus so given 7% of the items are under 35, px less 35 minus infinity to 30, same as above problem, 7%, 7 by 100. So from this we get t1 value minus 1.48. Given 89% of the items are under 63, px less than 63 is equal to minus infinity to 63, f of x dx equal to 89%, 89 by 100. This is equal to minus infinity to t2 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt is equal to 0.89. So f of t2 minus f of minus infinity is equal to 0.89. f of t2 plus minus into minus plus f of infinity. f of infinity is 0.5. f of t2 is equal to 0.89 minus 0.5. 0.39. t2 is equal to 1.23. Substituting t1, t2 values in above, minus 1.48 is equal to 35 minus mu by sigma. Cross multiplying we get this 1.23, 63 minus mu by sigma, cross multiplying. We get this. Subtracting it. Sigma value 10.33. Again substituting sigma value here, we get mu value 50.29. So mean is equal to mu is equal to 50.29. Standard deviation sigma is equal to 10.33. Variance is equal to sigma square is equal to 106.75. 106.75. So problem 9. X is a normal variate with the mean 30 and SD is 5. Find the probabilities that mod x minus 30 greater than 5. So solution, what is given here? Mu is equal to mean is equal to 30. So standard deviation sigma is equal to 5. Your formula T is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Okay. We have to find this one. So you write probability of mod x minus 30 greater than 5 is equal to 1 minus probability of mod x minus 30 less than or equal to 5. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 minus so you write, we have to find this one first. So mod x minus 30 mod x minus 30 less than or equal to 5 means minus 5 less than x minus 30 less than or equal to plus 5. Adding 30 minus 5 less than or equal to x minus 30 plus 30 less than or equal to 5 plus 30. 25 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35. x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x. Comparing x1 is equal to 25, x2 is equal to 35. When x1 is equal to 25, t1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma is equal to 25 minus mu 30 by 5 minus 1. When x2 is equal to 35, t2 is equal to x2 minus mu by sigma 35 minus 30 by 5, 5 by 5, 1. 5 by 5, 1. So probability of 25 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35 is equal to integral 25 to 35. Usual procedure, same procedure. T values minus 1 to 1, 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. F of 1 minus f of minus 1. F of 1 minus of minus plus f of 1. 2 into f of 1. 2 into what is your f of 1 from tables? From tables f of 1. From tables f of 1 is 0.3413. 0.3413. So 0.6826. Therefore P mod x minus 30 greater than 5 is equal to 1 minus P mod x minus 30 less than or equal to 5. 1 minus 0.6826 is equal to 0.3174. 0.3174. Problem 10. The mean weight of 500 students is 126 lb and the standard deviation is 15 lb. lb means pounds. Assuming the weights are normally distributed, find how many students have weight. How many students have weight? A 103 lb, B between 100 and 130 lb, C more than 160 lb. So solution is given capital 500, mu is equal to 126, sigma is equal to 15, formula T, x minus mu by sigma. Okay. Now a bit weight 103 lb means the actual weight of students lie between 102.5 and 103.5. So x1 is equal to 102.5, x2 is equal to 103.5. T1 is equal to x1 minus mu by sigma 102.5 minus mu 126 by sigma 15 minus 1.56. T2 is equal to x2 minus mu by sigma 103.5 minus 126 by 15 minus 1.5. Probability 102.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 103.5. Integral 102.5 to 103.5 f of x dx is equal to t values minus 1.56 to minus 1.5 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt, e power minus t square by 2 to dt. So this is nothing but f of minus 1.5 minus f of minus 1.56 minus f of 1.5 minus and minus plus f of 1.56. This is from normal tables. This is 0.4332. This is 0.4406. 0.0074. The number of students having exactly 103 lb weight out of 500 is n into probability 500 into 0.0074, nearly 4. Weight lies between 100 lb and 130 lb, but actual weight lies between, దీనిలో పాయింట్ తగ్గించండి, దీనిలో పాయింట్ పెంచండి, 99.5 lb and 130.5 lb. So x1 is equal to 99.5, x2 is equal to 130.5. T1 x1 minus mu by sigma 99.5 minus 126 by 15 is equal to minus 1.76. T2 x2 minus mu by sigma 130.5 minus 126 by 15.3. Probability 99.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 130.5 integral 99.5 to 130.5 f of x dx is equal to integral minus 1.76 to 0.31 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. F of upper limit minus f of minus 1.76. F of 0.3 plus f of 1.76. So 0.1179 plus 0.4608 from tables 0.5787. Therefore the number of students having weight between 100 lb and 130 lb is equal to n into probability 500 into 0.5787 289 nearly